Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program, but we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Yesterday, Arsenal defeated Manchester United 3-2 for the Emirates, and this match, the match was very, very spectacular because if you watch the match, you see for the first half, now Manchester United first scored through Anthony Rashford, and at the same time through Marcus Rashford rather, and at the same time Arsenal can equalize, and the Keita give them that nodding, it can be 1-1. So as time can go, Arsenal score, Man U score, Arsenal can score the final goal, we can end the match 3-2. But now the significance of this match and the fact that as it stands now, we use 5 points to gap behind Manchester City, and at the same time we get one outstanding match for their head. We raise 11 points gap Manchester United, and at the same time we get one outstanding match for their head. When I look back saying the noise is too much, we don't get live for more than 5 days now. We don't get live, so now everybody gen. So I look back say maybe gen they enter the background. I just hope so that they hear me, sha. So my dear football lovers, this match, everybody just very happy with the way Arsenal big play against. There are many matters arising. Some people they are our opponent this way they critical about Arsenal. Don't come outside and sing a new song about Arsenal. Like, what the time to be an Arsenal fan? Like, we don't go the halfway and we did 50 points already. It remains the second stanza, and what a player, Leandro Trossard, and what a player Educator is. Educator don't shut up all in critics, all those with the talk say he no deserve where he did. Educator don't make us forget say Gabriel Jesus been injured. Now when they celebrate, so I see Gabriel Jesus yesterday, I found the say, we still get Gabriel Jesus. So it is what it is. Just maximum accolades to the boys. They make me proud yesterday. I slept like a baby. So after the match, so Roy Keane come outside and talk say it will take a lot to stop Arsenal in the title race because Arsenal play with desire to win. Like they play with determination. They were focused. They were very, very patient until they get their chance to win. Wave and wave and wave after attack until they get that they deserve win. If you want the second half, Man U na defend. Man U don't come outside now. Maybe they say Manchester United sabi play ball. They play Man City. They win Man City. Oh, yeah, come play now. Nothing. Like we are over them, all over them. Like they no say breaking space. And thank God say at the end of the day, we won. And even Jamie Carragher said don't come and say a massive win for Arsenal. So whether they win the league or they don't win the league, Arsenal are a very, very serious side. They are very, very good again. So irrespective of whether they win the league or not, you have to give maximum accolades to Arsenal. Praise them because they really try. That's what they do yesterday. You know, easy. You get it. They try all their best. Like all over the world, everybody celebrate Arsenal. Only those who wish us bad, all those kind of Man City, Man U fans, Chelsea fans, Liverpool fans, they all wish us bad so that we will drop them. Imagine say Arsenal is 21 points ahead of the likes of that kind Liverpool, Chelsea. You know what I mean? Like if let's say past 21, they are 29, we are 50. You pass now. Okay, 21, yes, 21. You know what I mean? Don't be beans now, you get. You should say, because both of us start the league at the same time. So what's it happen? You should say this Arsenal side we don't change. And today, somebody yesterday one announced the signing of Jacob Kiwior. So they will sign, they will announce him anytime soon. He was at the Emirates. We are in the VIP box with Ilu Gaspar when we watched the match. So I was very, very happy to say this guy and another signing will go enter and make our bench very, very rich. Yeah, that's what I'm happy. After the match, so Leandro Trossard come and say, glad to meet you, the Gunners, big 3 points, say amazing atmosphere out there. You know, say he never experienced this kind of atmosphere. With 65,000 capacity stadium, everybody is singing the North London Forever song, as in the chanting, Arsenal. Oh my God, it was very, very spectacular and amazing to watch. I did very happy with the way things turned out. So nice one. Trossard enter, he did his best. He entered late from people like me, don't they clam or something they bring Trossard early because that one beside I was holding Martinelli don't know what to do again. So I was hoping that they would put Trossard early, but as I decide, well, the workout here. However, Gary Neville said, come and say, they hail the Arsenal, saying Arsenal get the return of the invisible spirits. After what they do, say the way they play each match, they are playing to win. You get, they know they play, say, okay, maybe we'll lose. So they are fearless. They are entering matches and imposing themselves from the opposition. You get, dominating matches. The first half, I think like maybe 50-50, but the second half, 70-30. Arsenal won't kill Man U. Man U no see their period, get. But that second half, we let them know, say we don't be made to get. We let them know, get. So now they don't be far behind us. So anything about title talk with Manchester United, we don't dead on arrival. We bury them yesterday. They know if you come outside and talk, say we are going for the title. Even Roy Keane himself, he come outside humbly in the media setting upon the duty. Because Manchester United are going for the top 4 again. they are no longer going for the title. In short, even Ten Hag came outside at the press conference and said, what happened yesterday na a reality check. Like, don't let them know say they know they're good enough to win the title, because if you want to win the title, you can't be playing the way you played against Arsenal. They made series and series of errors, multiple errors when lead to goals. You get, so think all the castigating team. So when they go for dressing room, it's going to address them. But the Coco be saying Arsenal did a fantastic job. Now Arsenal now make Manchester United look very, very inferior. Should be not the same Man U. Now go beat Man City. We let them know their place. Get, we don't be the same level you get. For the last 6 matches, we don't play for Emirates. We don't win like 4. Draw 1, and Manchester United win 1. Each of the last 5 games at the Emirates Stadium, we win 4, then draw 1. We don't be their mates again. So, but for a guy, they actually for us. For the media setting, they're going to ask Arteta, say, now they say that they win up and down, and they don't take like 5 points. They got Man City, and I get one understanding. Is it not safe to say you are gunning for the title, you are the title favorite? But back on the very, very humble, calm down, and say, no. So now Man City now be favorites to win the league because they've won a lot in the past. We've not won anything, we've not done anything. This is just 19 games, halfway through the season. There is a lot of matches to play. So Baba Kadi talk say na Man City the favorite. They try to remove the focus from the Arsenal. We are going to take it game after game, one game at a time. Anywhere they go, everybody will see the ending. And my even Chris Sutton himself come and say Arteta must control his emotions on the flank, because when you watch yesterday, after Luke Shaw they foul Saka, foul. Referee no do anything. In short, at a point, Arteta when they tell the 4th man, say, this is 4 times. When this guy don't foul my player 4 times, they whine me, you know, go do something about that. Referee just come up here and yellow card, say, be very careful. Don't encroach in my thought process. Be careful, you get. So Chris Sutton, they say, make Arteta calm down, you get. We know you are emotionally invested in the team, but you have to take it easy, you get. One, you get. Take am easy, you get. Otherwise, one day, the FA will give you ban. So make Arteta say, just take am easy. And one of our community members, so that they call Kola Ojo, Baba don't come as I can send us 10K to support the ministry. I will say, Baba, anyway, they see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. And also, Jima Okori said, Baba also sent me 10K also. You know, so yesterday I go live, so I know people give the attributes well. I'm going to even post on Facebook like that. So, Baba, thanks for any way they bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. And one of our community members, we do birthday yesterday. I couldn't post his picture. Eddie Benga, so happy birthday, boss. We wish you all the best things life has to offer. So enjoy your blast. I don't say this one a belated birthday because yesterday it happened, but all the same way, she greets you. Happy birthday. Our Martin Q yourself don't come as I call it. Say Manchester United no fit mark because like they could not contain him. There's a kind of look short like a pot of soup. Sure. Anytime Saka hold look short 1v1, you can't be the dress back. He dress back. You know if you make a 1-on-1 and foul, just the foul. And look at that goal. With Saka score from far left outside. That goal is supposed to be one of the contenders of the goal of the season. That goal was spectacular. Like I shouted beyond my voice. Like I don't know what to say again. So that yesterday, that goal was amazing. It was incredible. It don't make sense. Saka had a fun time, and that's why the guy win the man of the match. Sky Sports give him the award, man of the match, and the indicator scored 2 goals. Saka scored 1. He even hit back. Like it was fantabulous. So my dear football lovers, if they watch us for YouTube, I know they follow our show. What they wait for now? Support us now, follow us, subscribe to our show so that our show will get more and more reach. And if you're watching us on Facebook and never follow us, what are you waiting for? Follow us so that our show will get more and more reach. And if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click on so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So I'm signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.